all. In this video, we are going to learn about the maximize speed and stability. In last two videos, we have covered the previous slides of the process of work in the safe. Okay, that cost of delays and the customer decision making, that process on all things. Okay, you can go through these previous videos. Okay, in this video we are going to learn and focus on DevOps. Okay, what is DevOps? That is dev plus ops. Okay, optimize the development speed and optimize for the stability. You can see the in the diagram it's working together for speed and stability. Operations, development, security, business, architecture, and compliances. Okay, these we are going to make it together to obtain the speed and the stability, right? So let's go ahead and see building the continuous delivery pipeline with the DevOps. The continuous delivery pipeline represents the workflows, activities, and the automation needed to deliver new functionality more frequently. Each art builds and maintain or shares a pipeline. Organizations map their current pipeline into this new structure and remove the delays and improve the efficiency of the each steps. Okay, you can see in the diagram that is continuous delivery pipeline we can shown, that is continuous exploration, integration, and the deployment. This is the release on demand. Okay, yeah. So next one is the continuous exploration. Understand the customer needs first. Okay. So in the explorations steps, we have to hypothesis, then the collaboration and research on through the product management tools. Then the architect will decide and do the architecture of the that product. Then the synthesize, we can do the vision goals and do the that cost of delay and those things. Okay, estimate all those things and create the product backlog. This is all about the continuous exploration step. Okay, then once CI/CD will start, that is continuous integration, that is the develop, build, test it, and stage means what? It's a pre-production. Okay, it's a replica of the production. We are releasing that feature and deploy those on the staging environment. Okay, so we can get it all these things, and we can deploy as per release on demand. Okay, let's see what is in the continuous deployment step. It is getting to production early, that is deploy, verify, then the monitor those things and the response, that is response mean the feedback loop. Okay, so we are going to do this deployment through the release on demand. Okay, yeah. So this is all about that CI/CD pipe. Okay, so decouple the release elements from the total solutions. So end user functionality, security updates, back office functionality, and the entire solutions. You can see it's a solution value streamlets. Okay, so after we have to decouple these release elements. Okay, from this total solutions. So separate the deploy from the releases. What deploy and will releases? Okay, what exactly it is? So separate deploy to production from the releases. Releases means we are going that through the sprint release on the staging environment. Okay, we are doing the releases and the deployment is on the production. So in the safe environment, we are having some deployment stages for on the production in the monthly cycle or something. Okay, but we are releasing that features on the staging environment every 2 weeks or something. Okay, through the sprints, right? Yeah, so hide all new functionality under feature toggles, enables testing background and the foreground processes in the actual production environment before exposing new functionality to users. Then the timing of the release becomes our decisions, business decisions. Okay, so this is all about the separation. Correct. So after this, you can see it's a release on demand, making value available when it's needed. Correct. We are with ready with the pre-production things. We can release on demand as per the customers. Okay. So this is the you can see this is the we have represented it through this diagram. What is release, stability, operate, measures, learn, or something? Okay, yeah. So this is all about the DevOps things. Okay, release on demand. So leading by example. What are this? That is, example is not the main thing. This is it is just only things. Okay, leading by example. So what are the constraint for that? Instability, learning, that is authenticity, then the emotional competence, courage, and the growing others, and decentralize the decision making. Okay, it should not be centralized. Okay, these are some examples of the leading. Okay, so what are the key to leading successful change? The change principles, you can say these are some change accelerators. Accelerators are management plus leadership, then the how to plus want to. Okay, head and heart, then the select flow plus diverse meaning. Okay, these are some successful leading changes of the key elements. Okay, say change accelerators. So the key leading change successful change accelerators are like, see, they create sense of urgency. We have to need the urgency, right? Then only we are going to release those things. Okay, these changes. Then build the guidance coalition, then they form the strategic vision. In this, the volunteer army, they enable action by removing barriers, then they generate short-term wins. Okay, these are some keys to leading the successful change. If we want to communicate the need of change or something, then need the urgency of that. Okay, this is all about the releasing things. Okay, we have discussed in this video. So we are discuss almost about the decision making things, the story maps and those things, the DevOps pipelines, and the cost of delay concept. Okay, in these three videos. Okay, just go through this video and previous two videos, and you will get the concept and clearance of the process of work, whatever in this safe movement. Okay, so just go through this video once again, and if you are having any questions or any concerns, just put in the comments so that we can help you out. Okay, thank you.